Why has Bharti Airtel hiked tariffs and who will be impacted? Bharti Airtel has hiked tariffs of its prepaid plans by up to 25%, a move that could be followed by two other private telecom service providers. What is the reason for its decision and what impact will this have? Signaling the end of low tariff regime in the telecom sector, Bharti Airtel on Monday announced it would hike the tariffs of its prepaid plans by up to 25%. The move is likely to be followed by two other private telecom service providers. Why has Bharti Airtel decided to hike its tariff across prepaid plans? Ever since the entry of Mukesh Ambani backed Reliance Jio Infocom, the telecos have been undercutting each other by slashing call as well as data usage rates. The competition has been so intense for the past 5 years that some telecos shut shop while others such as Vodafone and Idea decided to join hands in a bid to survive the onslaught brought on by deep pockets of Reliance Jio. The situation was so dire that telcos sought government intervention in some form to ensure there was a floor for tariffs. While the government did not intervene in any form, telcos themselves decided to collectively raise their tariffs one after another on December 2019. Among the telcos, Bharti Airtel has been vocal about the need to take average revenue per user (ARPU) level back to rupees 300 as against rupees 100 to 150 mark that is oscillating in currently. In a statement, the telco said that tariff hike would allow it to mark the start of returning to rupees 200 ARPU and that it would enable the substantial investment required in networks and spectrum. Why is Bharti Airtel raising the tariff important for the industry? Of the three private telecom players, two namely Vi and Bharti Airtel are burdened with a Supreme Court judgment which asks them to pay more than rupees 58,250 crore and rupees 43,890 crore respectively as adjusted gross revenue dues. Though both the companies have opted for 4-year moratorium on spectrum and AGR dues, they will have to come up with the funds for the payment once the moratorium ends. Monday tariff hike by Bharti Airtel, analysts said, is a much needed step towards healing the profitability and returns profile of the sector. The tariff hike announced by a major telecom operator is a much needed step towards healing the profitability and the returns profile of the sector. It will also enable telcos to invest in rolling out 5G mobile services over the medium term, rating agency CRISIL Ratings said in a report. India Ratings also believes this provides an opportunity to the other two players in the industry to hike tariffs, since Monday's announcement by Bharti Airtel is likely to impact around 95% of its total user base. The tariff hike announced by Bharti Airtel is one of the sharpest and most broad-based spanning across various tariff plans witnessed in the recent past and is applicable to prepaid customers who comprise about 95% of Bharti Airtel's total subscriber base, India Ratings said. Who will the tariff hike impact the most? Since Bharti Airtel has decided to hike by up to 25%, the tariffs in the entry-level segment, analysts feel that there could be a consolidation in the segment of the users of the company in the days to come. The company had in July this year announced a modest tariff hike in corporate and entry-level prepaid plan. Thank you.